The new journal will be global in reach, inclusive, pluralistic, and at the same time committed to top quality research, to European-style theorizing, and committed to broad social science tradition. I'm very excited to announce that Joep Cornelissen has accepted our offer to serve as the first editor-in-chief of organizational theory. Joep is a highly respected first-class scholar. He has published a lot of excellent theory pieces himself. He brings to the table qualities that we also hope to achieve with organizational theory. European at heart with a global academic orientation.
The mission for the journal is for it to be really an inclusive space for different types of theorizing that happen in our field. So it recognizes that people theorize in different ways, write in different ways. So we really want to cover all of the different types and styles of theorizing that are out there. Theory is obviously important to us as academics. We trade in theory. We feel that it's sort of the lifeblood that we care about. We also think it's important for our students, so we give them theory to help them shape their thinking about problems that they will deal with when they graduate. So given how important theory is, there's really a space for another journal that covers it, that is a quality outlet, but also reflects the range of theorizing in our field. So there are other journals that do publish theory, but they often have a very more specific remit. So they publish particular styles of theorizing, so think of papers that are just around propositions or have a particular format. This journal will be different because we will cover all types of different styles of theorizing, from proposition-based to process models to critical essays. So we really want to be inclusive, reflective of the whole diversity that is out there. Recognize that theorizing comes in different shapes and sizes, reflects the intellectual traditions that people have been socialized into and that they're steeped in, reflects the geographies that they're part of. So we really need to be an inclusive home for all of these different types of theorizing. So we can also become, in effect, the reference, a good theory journal, but also a reference for these different types of theorizing and offering people all these different ways of knowing, different ways of thinking about a particular management or organizational problem. We'll be publishing regular research articles, so these will be theory papers and they will be of the different types that I explained. So they could be more general papers that are written around a process model or a set of propositions or a typology. But it could also be an essay, a polemic or a critical essay on a particular topic. So these are the regular articles. Then we also have review pieces. So these are like systematic literature review, but they're much more developed along the theoretical dimension. And we also have what we are professionally calling controversies and perspectives. So this is a debating feature where the really thorny critical issues around theory can be debated in our field. We'll have a Manuscript Central portal that will go live pretty soon, so authors can submit their papers via that portal. The papers will be dealt with by an experienced editorial team. We'll make sure as a team that we'll give authors the quality feedback and the developmental feedback that they need within a short period of time, so that they can also improve their work and hopefully get it published in the journal at the end of the process. As I said, we also have review papers. They will be going through a similar process where they get submitted and reviewed and edited by the team. And we also have these controversies and perspectives section, and for that section in particular we'll be commissioning and we'll be asking authors to put forward their ideas for that section.